In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Airbnb account on PC 2026, step by step. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer. This can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you normally use. Once your browser is open, go to the official Airbnb website. Wait for the homepage to fully load so you can clearly see the available sign-in options. When you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the login button. This will open the sign-in window where Airbnb gives you a few different ways to access your account. At this stage, choose your preferred sign-in method. Depending on your account setup, you may be able to sign in using your email address, phone number, Google account, Apple ID, or another available option. Pick the one that matches how you originally created your Airbnb account. Using the correct method here helps avoid confusion and makes the login process smoother. Next, enter your login credentials. If you're signing in with email or phone number, type that information carefully, then enter your password if Airbnb asks for it. Make sure everything is entered correctly, especially if your password is case sensitive. If you use a password manager, this can help speed things up and reduce typing errors. After that, complete any verification step if prompted. In some cases, Airbnb may send a one-time code or ask you to approve two-factor authentication. This extra step is there to protect your account, so simply follow the instructions on screen and finish the verification before moving on. Once that's done, click the login button to continue. Give the site a few seconds to process your information and load your account. When the homepage appears again, confirm that you're signed in by checking the top right corner for your profile picture. That's the easiest way to know the login was successful. Now you can access your account and manage whatever you need, whether that's bookings, messages, payments, or hosting activity. Everything should be available from your account menu once you're signed in. When you're finished, make sure to sign out, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. That's an important habit for keeping your account secure and preventing anyone else from accessing your information. And that's how to log into your Airbnb account on a PC in 2026.